So first of all, very good morning, good afternoon, good evening, everyone. Okay. So what we will discuss today? We will discuss a topic yoga versus gymming. Means just like and debate. Okay. So I will invite one by one to each student. Okay. Just like I will invite a group of 4 students. Okay. Randomly I will invite. So you have to come here and tell about yoga and gymming. Means what would you like to prefer, yoga or gym? Okay. So just you have to discuss like and debate. First I am inviting Yashraj, Christy, Garb and Manvi. 4 person I'm inviting first. Okay. So you have to start. Topic is yoga and gymming. So just you have to just like an debate. You have to discuss just like an debate. Okay. Just you have to sit here. Yes. Please sit here. हाँ gymming. Yes. तो आप दोनों उस साइड बैठो, आप दोनों उस साइड बैठ जाओ. चलो जल्दी से. Christy and Manvi. Yes. Who will initiate?
So again, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, all of you, and welcome to Spoken English by Sambhav Jain. And today we four people are gonna do a debate between yoga and gym, and I am in the favor of gym.
And I am Yasser Yadav and I am in the favor of gym. And I am Gaurav Rawat.
Hello everyone, I am Anvi Shishodia and I am in the favor of yoga. So I want to say about yoga is best for everyone. Yoga is that thing which every person can do, from children to adult and young one. Yoga is very good for us because it maintains our health issues and also keeps our mind fresh and keep our body flexible.
So now let's talk about a gym a bit, because gym also gives us very nice muscles, you can see there also, and it also the gyms also provide us proteins, and they are very nice for the muscles, and they are mainly the gym is mainly to increase our strength.
And now I am in the favor of gym, and we have to spend our energy in gym, but we get more power in gym. More power in gym than yoga, and gym is more sufficient than yoga. And I am in favor of yoga. Yoga is the best because it maintain our body.
It maintains our body, but I think it cannot give you that much strength, and also it's very nice, and it's also very famous for the body muscles.
So that's not important that yoga cannot give us muscles and nice strength. There are lots of asanas which gives us strength and muscles, and that's not important. As you say that in gyms there are proteins, so in yoga there are lots of healthy food and diet that are available for us, and it is handmade and easily available to everywhere and every person. So that's not important that there are protein and energy drinks are not available in yoga.
So gym is also built everywhere and also available for all the persons, and the small child, like 1 or 2 years old child, can do easy exercise.
I don't think so. The yoga gives you body muscles, as you said.
That's not important. When we are starting regularly, it is possible to take muscles and yoga. There are lots of asanas. If we hire trainers, so it is important, and it is also easy to get muscles and trainers.
Can you explain how can we get muscles by doing yoga?
Yes, I can explain, because if we don't know how to get muscles by do yoga, so we can hire trainer and ask them which asana is important to get muscles and strength.
So please explain.
like there are lots of asanas. They are not important that we get only muscles and strength. We can get also that thing which is important for our health and our body. Not That's not important that we get only muscles. It is like a show off.
But you said that, but you said that we get muscle by doing yoga. How can we get muscle? So can you explain?
And it is not that it means that as she told that everyone can do the yoga. So not every means yeah, gym, I agree that everyone cannot do the gym, but I think that not with dumbbells or any gym machine, they can do some gym exercises which are too easy, just like squats, I think so.
Yes, I am agree with you, but there I am agree with not everyone do yoga and gym, because the child who is only 2 years and 3 years old, they are not able to do gym exercises and not yoga poses. And I am agree with that, but there are also lots of asana with good for that child and their health abilities.
So squats is not that much very tough, I think so. It's not that much very tough to do.
and and now I want to invite Ishka Soni and Tejal Agrawal and Shivansh and Harshit.
So good morning, good afternoon, good evening everyone. So as you all know, we are doing a debate and I am in the favor of yoga and I am Tejal.
I am Ishika. I am in the favor of yoga.
I am Shivansh Lakshkar and I am favor of gymming.
I am Harshit Agrawal and I am in the favor of gym.
Okay. So let's start the debate. So first of all, let me tell you that why yoga is important in our daily life. As everyone told that yoga maintain our body flexible and yoga keep our body more good. But in a gym, it is just about to build their body. It doesn't give that much flexibility in our body, and it is not allowed for everyone. But yoga everyone can do. Like if somebody is small, so he or she cannot do gym, but they can do the yoga.
You can say yoga can small children do yoga because and gym in the gym dumbbell is very heavy and children can't lift the load and children cannot.
So gym is the place where we can do exercise and make our body and develop our muscles. But yoga can't. Yes, I agree that yoga gives us flexibility. But if we want a proper muscles and a proper body, so we have to do gym.
Yoga is very important for everyone. Yoga is a mental and physical habit to keep our mind fresh, and there are 12 types of yoga.
So yeah, I agree with everyone. As he told that we can build our muscles, but it is not about to build our muscles. We should build our immunity, and it's all about our energy. We can get energy from gym and yoga also, but some people think that yoga is hard to do. It have so many difficult asanas, but there are some easy asanas that we can do in our daily life. Like so many people are doing Surya Namaskar in the morning, so we should do yoga because it is helpful in our daily life.
how can you say that we should only do yoga? We should also do gym, because if we want a proper strength and proper muscles, so we have to do gym, and yoga can't give us proper muscles, but it gives us flexibility, so it's not totally important. We want a proper strength that we get from the gym, and there are so many equipments that we can use for exercises.
Yes, Harshit said right, and gym can give your personality, good personality, so you can like good.
But it is all about our energy. But as he told that we can build our muscles from that, but everyone cannot afford the dumbbells and these all things. But yoga everyone can do. Yoga did not need any of the equipments or something, but gymming needs so many equipments like dumbbell and all, so which we can find in gym. So it is just about to put our money in those type of things, but yoga we can do at our home and anywhere. So now I would like to call Ayush, Kush, Harsh and Paridhi.
So hello everyone and all of our dear friends. So today we are going to discuss on a yoga and gym topic, on discussion topic. So let us start our topic. So here I am Ayush Mistry, and she is. I am Paridhi.
I am Harsh.
And I am Kush, and I am in the favor of gym.
I am in the favor of gym.
I am in the favor of yoga.
And I am also in the favor of yoga. So let's start.
So yoga is very important for us in our daily life, because yoga gives us energy and freshness, and yoga is mostly done in the morning time too, because the morning is fresh, and we do yoga so in a fresh fresh morning also. And yoga is very important for us because it helps to release our anxiety and etc.
I am in the favor of gym because gyms makes our body and it grow our power and strength.
But yoga also increase our mentality and also increase our fitness level by matching our mindset with the God and other souls, that improves our mentality and also the IQ power.
So I think gym is best than yoga because gym helps in increasing our strength. And can you please tell me, Ayush, that how can you make your strength without gym?
Not I am telling about strength. I am first of all I have told about mentally ability, because if you have mentally ability, so you can do anything in the life. Even you can also crack any exam, any competition, any Olympiad by your mind.
And there are so many type asanas in yoga, and small children and old age parents don't do yoga many asanas.
But there are some simple asanas also that small children can do. And while we are going in a gym, so in gym we cannot develop our whole personality and like hair growth. In by doing gym we cannot improve our hair growth and etc. And but by doing yoga, our hair growth is also developed by doing a asan, that is Sirsasana.
But in gym we grow our body and muscles.
But if a person is doing yoga daily, so the he can also grow muscles. And but in gym there is no chances of hair growth and etc. Hurts. Just imagine if you are lifting any type of dumbbell by by la- by slaying in the land. So if in case the dumbbell got fall in your chest, so what will you do?
First, it is impossible to our the dumbbell is falls on our chest.
No, it is not impossible, because I have seen so many people that they got hurt by the dumbbells when they are lifting the dumbbells. So the dumbbell fall on their legs, and sometimes they lift the dumbbell when they are laying on on something. So they got hurt by that.
So, so you Ayush, you tell that if a dumbbell hurt me or him. So for your kind information, there is also a first aid kit. And if you are doing yoga and are doing a difficult asana, so if your is stuck in only one position, so what will you do in that situation?
Not even health can help our body to get relieved from that. I have seen many people who have got critically injured with this problem. So now we are concluding our topic here, and now I am calling Harshit Yadav and Divyans Bhaiya and Shrey Jain on the stage. Please come. Please come on the stage.
So, so now we are continue this debate. So we three is in the favor of gym and she is in the favor of yoga. So she will start.
Okay, so I think yoga is important because while doing yoga we got the pain, and in while doing gym we also get the pain. But the pain we are getting in the gym is not good for our body. But the pain we are getting in yoga is only helpful for our body. And if we talk about gyms, as previous team said in previous team, one girl who was in favor of yoga said that sometimes it hurts also, sometimes it hurts the people. So yes, it hurts because sometimes they fall on their legs and it's very heavy, so it's create a very big injury.
It's not always happen. It's happen sometime by the mistake of the who is doing. And gym is the purpose to make the body posture fit and fine. Thank you.
And she also says that the gym is not useful for our body, but it is very useful because it improves the muscles and body postures in our body.
So we all know about gym. So gym is a physically exercise that people do in our daily life. So it is good for our health if we want to participate in the like wrestling. So gym is important for our body.
So first, as Harshit said that, I didn't mean that gym is not important. I said that yoga is important in our life. I didn't say that gym is not important in our life. Gym is important, but it's not that much necessary, because in gym we are going to make our body, and to make our body in a proper shape, as Shrejan said. So Harshit, you were disappointed by my point, but you were wrong disappointed, because I didn't mean that.
So you said that it is not mostly necessary for our body. Yeah, I am right or not?
Yes, you are right.
So can you prove that it?
Okay, so I can prove it. because we are going to gym when we got adult, because when we are child, so we are not allowed in gyms. But when we are child or when we are when we are in old age, we can easily do yoga. We are not forced to do in it in a separate age. We are allowed to do it in every age.
How can you say that those they are younger they can do gym? For an example, a kid who this age is only 1 year, so how he can do the yoga?
I doesn't mean that, because no, I'm not. I don't mean that, because I'm talking about the child who are at least 6 to 7 years or 5 to 6 years.
So a 5 to 6 or 6 to 7 year is capable to do gym in.
No, they are not. They are not allowed in this.
But I have seen so many equipments of gym that are available for the kids, like dumbbells and treadmill, etc. So they can do.
So, okay, I accept that they can do, but they cannot weight the heavier ones, or they cannot do the exact one.
And those they are younger kids, they also not do the more stretchable and the tough exercises in yoga.
Yeah, I agree with you. They don't. So now we would like to invite Purvi, Siddharth, and Arnav.
So first of all, good evening everyone. My name is Arnav Agrawal. We are here to present a topic on gym and yoga. So,
I am Siddharth Agrawal.
I am Purvi Soni and I am in favor of yoga. Yoga is very important in our life. You do yoga in fresh morning. We are favoring gym, and we are going in gym, and gym keeps our body fit, and they have many types of food in gym. That's all. And I'm now
So I am Siddharth. I am in favor of gym. We go gym to exercise like dumbbell and etc. There are many exercises than yoga.
I agree with you. Yoga is very important. Yoga keep our mind fresh. And in gym we are doing exercise like we doing dumbbells and etc.
So in gym we got a personal gym trainer who teaches how to do gym, and how to hold that much weight heavier. Thank you.
I agree with you, but some children is 2 year old, but it cannot do gym because dumbbell is very heavy.
So in the conclusion, I want to say that both are important, and we should and younger should do gym, and the people who cannot do gym, they should do yoga. And please like, comment and share to our video.